So if you take a look under the product name right now, you will see the PDF titled AI powered PDF income blueprint, which is actually a PDF product that I generated using AI to show people how they can be able to create AI PDFs using AI. Okay, I was able to create this in under 3 hours. And if we actually take a look right here on my seller account right now, you can see that we have generated 5 sales right now. Okay, and these 5 sales was actually done in under 3 days, which is like under 72 hours. Okay, so right here, if I go over right now and click on this view sales, so that you can be able to see the customers and the money that we have been able to make right here. So right here, you can see that we have a total of 5 sales right now, and we have generated 24,000 naira right now. And as you can see that the full sale right now came in July 16. I actually listed this product in the midnight of July 15, and I started implementing the promotional strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. And in that July 16, which is the next day, I was able to get like 3 orders right now. And July 17, we are able to get like 2 orders. Okay, and these 2 orders were generated using free traffic, and that's what I'm about to show you guys right now. Okay, now even if we go ahead and take a look at today's date, so if I go right here and ask Google today's date, right, so you can see that today's date is Saturday 18th July 2026. Okay, so that's the same thing with my calendar right now, 18th July 2026. So this is just to show you guys that what I'm showing you guys right here is real. So you can see the first sale came in July 16th. So now to get started, the first thing you will need is your AI generated PDF. So by now, I believe you have already created an AI generated PDF. If you have not created your own, please kindly watch this video to the very end, or go to the video description of this particular video. You will see the link of a video I will drop there that will show you how you can be able to go ahead and create your own AI generated PDF. Okay, so once you have created your AI generated PDF, now the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and list that product for sale. Now, how can you be able to list it for sale? So you can go on this platform right now known as Seller. Go ahead and sign up. Okay, once you sign up on this platform, you can go ahead and list your product for sale. Now, once you list your product to sell, now you can be able to have your product be showing right now, just like this particular product right now that I'm currently selling right now is showing up right now. Okay, so right now, once you have, this is the link, you can be able to copy the link or to your seller page and be able to start promoting. But this is actually the wrong way to do it, because this is exactly what most people are doing. They list product on seller and they go ahead and start promoting directly with that seller link, thinking that they can be able to make a sale. This is not how you can be able to make a sale. Now, the best way for you to be able to make a sale is that you need to create what we call a one-page sales page. For example, for this my AI-powered PDF income blueprint, I created a sales page using the free tool known as Lovable. And right here is the sales page for that particular product. Okay, so this is actually a very high converting sales page that can be able to lead people to go ahead and buy this particular product, as you can see the product right here. Okay, and like I said, this sales page was created with Lovable. Okay, now if I go to Lovable right now, you can see Lovable. We are on the Lovable where we created the sales page. So we pasted some instruction right here that allowed us to be able to create this particular sales page that you're seeing right now. So let me go ahead and make it full right now. Okay, so let's just change it to desktop view. So right here, you can see the sales page right here. Now, if somebody go ahead right now and go down to this sales page right now to buy this particular book, and they click on this, get the blueprint now, you can see that it's going to take us directly to that our seller product, which is people can now come right here and buy this product and make payment. Okay, and these people are not just landing on seller direct, we are sending them to this high converting sales page, which we're going to add some bonuses, and we're going to add some things that's going to make them to increase their chances of buying the book that we are trying to sell to them. So now that we have done this, you can create this page right here on Lovable for free of charge. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do all these things. Okay, now all you simply have to do, once you have been able to create this sales page, now the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and copy the link of this particular sales page. Now, right now, this is the link of this particular sales page that has been published on Lovable. You can see that it ends with lovable.app. Okay. Now, once you have done this, now all you simply have to do right now is to head over to Facebook and go ahead and create a new Facebook account. Okay. Go ahead and create a new Facebook account. Do not use the same account that you're using for your normal Facebook to do this. Okay. Create a new Facebook account. Now, one of the things that your new Facebook account must follow is that that account has to be an account, because in this particular book that I wrote right here, you can see that this particular book right here was written by Martin's Hustle. It's not from Martin EU, right? So you have to make sure that the name that you're going to be for that particular Facebook account matches with the same name or any type of book you created. It can be a health book, it can be for relationship, or any type of AI PDF book you created. Make sure that the name of the Facebook account matches the same name that you use for your ebook. Okay, so all you simply have to do, once you have created your account, now that link that you actually copied for your sales page, which is this particular link that Lovable created for you right now, all you simply have to do, just go ahead on your intro and add that link to your intro. As you can see right here, I added that I made over 3.5 million naira in June selling AI generated PDFs. Now, I included a link, which is that particular link that if people go ahead and click on this link right now, it's going to take them to that sales page. Okay. Now, this sales page was written by AI, and AI knows how you can be able to use most of these copywriting frameworks to create a high converting sales page that will get people to buy. Okay, more on that later in this video. So once we have been able to do this and included an intro that will make people to click on that link, now the next thing we have to do is to go ahead and find traffic and send to this our page that we created. Now, one of the best way you can get free traffic right now on Facebook is using Facebook groups. So since we are promoting a product that has to do with AI PDFs, now all I simply have to do is just to go on the search bar and search for AI generated PDFs to be able to see similar Facebook groups that are in that particular niche of AI PDFs or AI prompt or anything that is AI generated. Now you can see that we have tons of groups right here that I can go ahead and join. Now, in that account that I created, in that Facebook account that I created, I joined most of these groups right here that you see. Okay, now once I joined most of these groups, now what thing I did, let me now show you for example right now. Let me go ahead and open up one of these type of groups. All right, so once you join a group, now make sure that any group that you're joining is a group that has lots of members. You can see this particular one has 68k members right now, and you can make sure that this is actually an engaging page. You can even see this particular one right now, AI Academy for Beginners, with 53k members right now. So you have to make sure that they are getting engagement. Use pages that are getting engagement because it shows that it's real people that are there, and most of those people are always on this group. Now, once you join most of these group, depend on your niche, just start something that is related to your niche. Go ahead and drop massive value on that group. Do not paste that link right here. Do not go ahead and copy the link that you have on your profile and paste it there, or the link of your sales page. Do not paste it on those groups. They will ban you if you paste it there. Those links will just be on your intro, right? Now, once you go over on that particular group, now the kind of content you should be making there is going to be a content that provides solution that your target audience that you're trying to sell that PDF is having, right? So if you are in the health niche, you already know the products you have created in the health niche. Join Facebook group that is related to that particular problem. If it has to do with obesity, it has to do with weight loss, join Facebook group that has to do with weight loss, okay? So only join groups that are related to the niche that you are selling to, all right? So now, once you have joined those groups, go ahead and start providing valuable information to that group. Now, you might be asking, how can you be able to come up with valuable information? Now, that book that AI created for you, if you read through that book, it has some valuable information it's provided right now. Now, this particular book right now that we have, which we are promoting and people are buying right now, that says generate, design, and sell your first digital product using only your phone and free AI tools. Now, this particular book right now is targeting people that does not have laptop and people that does not even have money to buy expensive tools. So it's showing them how they can be able to create their own AI PDFs and sell it even without having money or having a laptop. Now, right now, you can see there are some valuable information that we can pick up from this particular page alone to go ahead and promote. For example, this phone only toolkit, okay? So we can be able to make a post telling people how they can be able to create AI PDFs using just their phone. We can just make that kind of post on this type of groups right here that has to do with this AI Academy for Beginners group, okay? So we can just make that kind of, just by picking some of the information right here, okay? So right here I say, for one, for writing your PDF, use an AI chat app. And there's an AI chat app that was included right here. Now, the second one is for turning your draft into a real document, use Google Doc. It listed how they can be able to go ahead and do it. Now, number 3, for their cover, it provided the app they are going to be using for their cover. Then for selling, it told them how they can be able to go ahead and sell. Now, this type of information that you see right now is very valuable information that most people might not be able to know about, that if I go ahead and start dropping it right there on this particular group, a lot of people will find value in that particular information. And one thing with when people find value in your information is that some of them will definitely go ahead and click into your profile. Now, I know you might have done this before. You have read something online and you'll be like, let me go and check this person out and see who this person is. That's how people are. Once they go ahead and check out your profile, now, once they come on your profile, that same post you're making right here on that group, you'll also be making it on your profile. So that when you come on your profile, they will see that, oh, you are only talking about that particular problem that they have. So all they will do is that they are going to see everything on your profile. They are going to see your intro. They will now see, oh, so you have an offer right now that they can even help them to solve their issues. They will go ahead and click on it and it will take them to your sales page. And imagine someone that is interested in using AI to create PDFs and now start promoting it to be able to make money, and they land on my profile and go ahead and click on this particular link right now, and they land on my sales page and they go ahead and read the sales page, and it's very, very relatable to them, and this page was structured in a very high converting manner, and they're interested in buying this book once they have read everything that they are going to be gaining from this book, and they come down right here and click on this get the blueprint right now, and once they click on that, it's going to take them directly to my seller page for them to now go ahead and do what? And purchase the ebook, okay? Because it's only that place that they cannot get the full information. But note that I lead with value first on that Facebook group. That was where I was able to drag most of these people to now come over right here, purchase the ebook right here. And that's how I've been using free traffic mostly to be able to generate most of the sales I'm making for all my ebooks that I've gone ahead to create. Now, once an ebook starts gaining traction, now the next thing I normally used to do is to start running an ad. Even though we have not started an ad for this particular one, but we're going to be starting an ad very soon for it. But once an ebook, people have started buying an ebook from that your free traffic formula, that's the best time for you to go ahead and start launching your Facebook ad campaign, Instagram ad campaign, because it shows that we have something that more people need to see. And if more people see your offer or your product, they will end up buying the product you're promoting. Now, for some of you that want to see how you can be able to go ahead and start creating your own AI-generated books, or you can be able to go ahead and start creating your own sales page. Let's say you don't know how to do any of these things professionally. If you want to learn how you can be able to start creating valuable AI-generated ebooks, your sales page, and everything you need to run this particular business I just showed you right now to be able to generate your sales in the next 72 hours right now. Now, all you simply have to do right now is just to go over on this platform right now known as Skillshare. Now, you are going to see this particular course right here that I just listed right now, okay? So this course was just posted here 3 days ago. So this course was create and sell AI PDFs using Claude AI and ChatGPT, 7 steps for beginner. Now, this course is going to show you everything you need to know about the type of PDF you should go ahead and create, how you can pick the best profitable niche and topic, how you can create a high converting PDF sales page, and those beautiful cover designs that you see that I showed you guys on my sales page, and how you can generate the AI images that I showed you guys, and also how you can list your product on platforms like Seller and Nextus to start making money with them, and also how you can promote your product for free. Now, I'm going to show you, I showed you guys everything right here in this particular course. Okay, so to be able to gain free access on this particular Skillshare platform, because Skillshare is actually a paid platform that charges people money to sign up, but you can be able to get 1 month free trial right now by going to the video description of this particular video. You will see the link that I put there. Click on that link and go ahead and sign up on the Skillshare platform free of charge right now to go ahead and watch this course. Okay, this is a complete masterclass that will show you how to create a very valuable professional PDFs without any design skills, without any writing skills, and without any tech skills. Okay, so go to the description of this particular video and use that link to sign up on the Skillshare platform. I will also attach a step-by-step video right now that will show you exactly how you can go ahead and sign up on Skillshare without any issue. See you inside the course. Now, here is how you can be able to get a 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. The first thing you need to do is to go to the video description of this particular video, and you will see this link that says click here to get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now go ahead and click on that link. And once you click on that link right now, it's actually going to bring you over to this particular page where you will see Martin EO is giving you 30 days free. Now you're going to see get 1 free month of Skillshare. Now right here, if you do not click on that particular link, now what you're going to be seeing right here is get 7 free days of Skillshare. But this is actually not what you want. You want to get the 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now, once you have clicked on that link right now, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and click on continue with Google or continue with your email. But I'm going to be clicking on continue with Google. Now, once you click on continue with Google, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and select the Google account you want to use to sign up on the Skillshare platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And right here, as you can see, thank you for signing up. And they are going to go ahead now and redirect you on where you need to go ahead and activate your 1 month free trial. And right here on this page, you will see start your 31 day free trials, no commitment, and cancel anytime. So Skillshare will require you to go ahead and select a payment method for you to be able to activate your account, okay? But you don't need to worry about the charges at all, because Skillshare will not charge you until your 1 month free trial or 31 days free trial have expired. And also they will even send you a 7 days reminder before your trial ends, so that you can decide to cancel if you want to cancel your account, okay? And when it comes to selecting your payment method, you can go ahead and select PayPal, or you can go ahead and add your card number right now. So you can use any of your local bank card right now, add it right here to activate your account. But if any of your local bank card is not working, now you need to get a virtual USD card. Now the platform that I advise you to get a card that will work for you is this particular platform right here known as GetPay. On this particular platform, you can be able to get USD virtual card you can use to sign up on Skillshare, okay? So I already have a virtual card right here created on GetPay. It's very easy to create. I will put the link to create this particular account and this card down in the video description of this particular video. So right now, all I have to do right now is to go ahead and copy these card details that I have right here and add it right here on this particular Skillshare platform. Now the next thing you need to do is just to scroll down right here. You will see where they say, how did you first hear about us? Now go ahead right now and select this YouTube influencer. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on this start your 31 day free trial. It will successfully sign you up on Skillshare. So right here it says what brings you to Skillshare. So you can go ahead and click on I want to learn a professional skill or build my business. Click on next. Right here, what are your most interested learning pathway? Just go ahead and select things you are interested in. And once you're done selecting all these things, go ahead and click on I am done right now. So it will go ahead and personalize your own page. So once you have landed right here, you have been able to successfully get the 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. So you can now go ahead right now and search for any classes that you want to watch, or the courses that I recommended for you guys right here in this particular video, and you can be able to gain access to that particular course free free of charge. And remember that you have 31 days to watch any courses that you want to watch right here on the Skillshare platform without paying any money at all.